Hello everyone, my name is Aida and I am a professional data analyst. In this video series, I will show you how SQL can be used in data science. The series follows a logical progression, from installing the right software to explaining SQL syntax with examples. We will start with creating simple queries and move on to more advanced capabilities that I use daily. Before we dive into SQL, I would like to briefly explain what SQL is. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a standardized programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. The main purpose of SQL is to interact with and manage data stored in a relational database. It allows users to perform various operations such as creating, reading, updating, and deleting data, often referred to as CRUD operations. SQL was initially developed in the early 1970s by IBM researchers Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce. It was originally called SQL, which stood for Structured English Query Language, but was later shortened to SQL. The language was designed to work with IBM's System R, a prototype of a relational database system. Since then, SQL has become the standard language for relational database management and is governed by both ANSI, American National Standards Institute, and ISO, International Organization for Standardization. Today, SQL is widely used across various industries and by many organizations. Major companies like Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, and MySQL, among others, have developed their own SQL-based database systems. SQL is the backbone of numerous applications and services, ranging from financial systems and healthcare management to social media platforms and e-commerce websites. Understanding SQL is fundamental for data analysis, as it provides the means to efficiently retrieve and manipulate data, enabling us to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Now that we have a basic understanding of what SQL is and its importance, let's take a closer look at the key functions that SQL provides. These functions are fundamental to managing and manipulating data in a relational database. Here are the core functions of SQL. Create. The create function is used to create new tables and databases. This is the starting point for building a database structure where data will be stored and managed. For example, you might use the create table command to define a new table with specific columns and data types. Select. The select function, implemented through the select statement, retrieves data from the database. This is one of the most frequently used functions in SQL. It allows you to query the database to fetch specific data based on certain criteria. For instance, you can use select to get all records from a table or to find records that match particular conditions. Update. The update function modifies existing data within the database. When data changes, such as updating a customer's address or modifying a product's price, the update statement is used. This function ensures that the database maintains accurate and current information. Delete. The delete function removes data from the database. It allows you to delete specific records or even entire tables when data is no longer needed. This function is crucial for maintaining the cleanliness and efficiency of the database by removing obsolete or unnecessary data. Understanding and effectively using these key functions is essential for managing a relational database. Each of these functions plays a vital role in the CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete, that form the backbone of database management. Now that we've covered the key functions of SQL, let's take a look at some of the advantages that make SQL such a powerful and widely adopted tool for data management. Standardized. SQL is recognized as an ANSI and ISO standard, which means it is widely used and accepted across various platforms and industries. This standardization ensures that SQL commands and syntax are consistent, making it easier for users to learn and apply their SQL skills across different database systems. Declarative language. One of the standout features of SQL is that it is a declarative language. This means that users specify what they want to retrieve or manipulate, rather than how to achieve it. This simplifies the process of writing complex queries, as the database management system handles the underlying operations. By focusing on the what rather than the how, SQL allows users to write more efficient and readable queries. Powerful and flexible. SQL is both powerful and flexible, capable of handling large volumes of data efficiently. Whether you are working with a small dataset or managing massive databases with millions of records, SQL provides the tools necessary to perform a wide range of operations quickly and effectively. Its flexibility allows users to execute complex joins, subqueries, and transactions, making it a robust solution for diverse data management needs. Integration. SQL can be integrated with various programming languages and database systems. This interoperability makes it a versatile choice for developers and data analysts. Whether you are working with Python, Java, PHP, or other languages, SQL can seamlessly integrate to manage and manipulate data. Additionally, SQL is compatible with numerous database management systems, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server, enhancing its utility in different environments. These advantages highlight why SQL remains a foundational tool in data science and database management. Its standardization, declarative nature, power, flexibility, and integration capabilities make it an indispensable skill for anyone working with data. I will introduce some of the most popular SQL databases, with a special focus on MySQL, which we will be using in this series. Why MySQL? MySQL stands out for its ease of use, reliability, and strong community support. It's widely used in web applications and by small to medium-sized businesses due to its flexibility and efficiency. As an open-source platform, MySQL allows us to explore SQL's capabilities without licensing costs, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and advanced users. Its popularity in the industry ensures that the skills you learn will be widely applicable and valuable in real-world scenarios. Join me as we delve deeper into SQL with MySQL, exploring its features and harnessing its power to unlock the potential of your data. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new and now have a better understanding of SQL and MySQL. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, leaving a comment, and liking the video. Your support helps me create more educational content. I also invite you to watch the upcoming videos in this series. We will delve deeper into SQL and MySQL, with practical examples and applications that you can use right away. See you next time on Data Science Arena.